Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar's 616th video. Although I might have lost count there. It could be 617. I'm not quite sure. I forgot if I changed the board today or not. However, these are technical analysis videos. Traders, these videos are geared for trading the very next day. This video is being filmed on Thursday night for trading Friday. That would be Friday the 13th, 2010. It is Friday the 13th. And you know what, traders? We don't believe in superstition, not at all. We believe in the Omni. And the Omni says, don't worry about superstition. Use your charts, do your homework, put your orders in, make sure your stops are placed, and trade professionally. That's what we have planned for trading on Friday, August 15th, Friday, August 13th, 2010. All right, traders, before I go any further, you must know this. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. You can lose more than just your trading account. You can lose your house, your dog, your friends, your mother. You can lose everything. So be really careful trading these markets. If you do not have risk capital, do not play these markets. But for you cowboys out there that don't mind at all riding the ponies, baby, we got a couple of things to look at that are very handsome in the marketplace. First thing is this. Traders, the last video I left you off in, we called it a lesson in flags. And if you recall, I showed you a bull flag and what a formation would look like if it was a chart building into a bull flag. Then I showed you a bear flag and talked about, bear flags make you go down, bull flags make you go up, and I said on the Dow Jones Transportation Average, we have something different, and it was this formation. And we had the comment question of the day, and that comment question of the day was, what do you think that formation is? Where do you think the market will go? Traders, thank you so much for your participation. Many of you wrote in comments and questions and answers, and I thank you so much for participating. What the answer was, and I showed it actually in last night's video, I put the two red omnis up, but the answer was it's a topping pattern and creates a very large downdraft. And traders, since that video came out 2 evenings ago, wow, have we seen some downward movement. So I want you to remember this technique, 1, 2, 3. This is the important one here. I'm going to show you the transportation chart today as it exists, what it looked like 2 days ago, what it looks like now. So it's a great lesson for you. I want you to learn it. I want you to remember it. I want you to put this in your arsenal of tools or weapons that you have to fight this war against trading, because you know what? It almost is like fighting a war every day. You need your weapons to win the battles, right? You win enough battles, you win the war. All right, so bull flag, bear flag, topping pattern in most markets. There are a few exceptions where this actually is a bullish look, but that's on a case-by-case basis, and I can show those to you at my trading site if you'd like to come down. It's www.livewithoscar.com. There are a couple of markets that I noticed where that formation would not be topping, but for the majority of trading and the majority of markets, that's a topping pattern. Again, thank you for your help. Now, what else is on the board? The Japanese yen has a red omni for trading on Friday, baby. Red omni. Now, I normally won't clap for a red omni, but I think this one's going to work, and I'm going to show you why. Reasoning. The Japanese yen. When we see a double top, we sell a double top, traders, in the Japanese yen. On the weekly bar chart, we have a serious double top with indicators pointing towards the downside. And I think the yen backs off on Friday, so we have a trade set up looking at selling rallies in the yen. Traders, I want to show you a couple of charts right now. I will tell you this, my editor is away in New York City, so we're filming this video raw, and we are going to edit it ourselves, so I don't know what you're going to get, but I think it'll be something that you can sit through. We'll see what happens. All right, with no further ado, I'm the X. Let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, we are going to review this lesson in that topping pattern, this topping pattern. If you recall, this is the very same chart we had in the last video that we did for you. And we had the bull flag, and we looked at that. We had the bear flag, and we looked at that. Then I said, traders, this is something different. This is not a bull or a bear flag. And, of course, we knew it was a topping pattern. That's why we did this video for you. But look at what has happened. When I showed you this video last, we were inside of this flag area. Look at the break that took place all the way down to here so far. Just like this big break that took place and like this big break that took place. That is what happens when you get this formation in the Dow Jones Transportation Average. Traders, take it, book it, mark it, don't forget it, use it when you find it. This is a prelude to a drop, and it is something that you should be able to capitalize on. If you see it, even if you miss the first day down, it's okay because you'll have at least 2 days down after a formation like this. So same thing with us traders. We missed day one, but we caught day two, the entire range we caught from the top to the bottom, knowing that it was going to drop again because of that formation. I hope this helps, traders. Put that formation away. Now we are going to look at the Japanese yen, and I think you will find this very interesting here, traders. The Japanese yen weekly bar chart, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. Look at what happened the last time there was a double top in the Japanese yen on the weekly, all the way down to here. Now we are at another double top. It's a true double top because we were rallying and put the high in, came off, rallied again, put in another high. That is how you get a true double top. There are some traders that think when the market's coming down and then puts a high in and then goes all the way down and then on another day when the high, they think that that's a double top, but I tell you that that's part of a different move. This move has nothing to do with that move. Lots of traders get double tops wrong. This is a double top because it's all part of one big up move, this up move. There's a top, there's a second top, that's a true double top. On the weekly bar, we are looking to be short the yen. That is one of the many reasons why we'd like to be short the yen. That is a good reason. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. Now let's go look at the daily indicators on the yen because we're not trading this for a week or a month. We're trading this for a day. So let's go look at our daily indicators. Okay, traders. We are looking at daily indicators on the Japanese yen, and this is your momentum indicator, and momentum is in the way of the move right now, or what we expect to happen. We put the double top in, and momentum shifted towards the downside. You are looking at slow stochastics right here, and the very same thing. We put the double top in right along this area, and it's starting to look bearish now. So your daily indicators calling for a short, your weekly chart with the double top absolutely calling for a short. This is in the Japanese yen. Do your own homework in the yen. Make sure that you see this for yourselves if you are going to take the trading recommendation. And of course, go check out those flags, traders, because this one is quite a powerful one. So, traders, you've seen the charts. You see my technical argument for Japanese yen. You know, what can you say? When you see a double top, you sell a double top. It is one of our rules at the Omni Trading Academy. We live by that rule. Will every double top that you find create a downdraft? Well, of course not. That's what stops are for. Technical analysis is not 100%. It is not a science. It is more of an art than a science. And not every piece of art is a perfect piece of artwork, right? However, lots of times, technical analysis will bring you to the promised land, traders. I have shown you more techniques in these videos than I could shake a stick at, so to speak, and so many of those work so well. Look at that flag that we just did in the last video. I mean, come on. There's nothing that can tell you where these markets should go next that compares to technical analysis, traders. You do your technical analysis. You study, you come on down to my site, www.livewithoscar.com. You jump into my free chat rooms and allow me to teach you to be a better analyst. I assure you it will help you with your trading. All right, traders, so you've seen the flags. We've gone over that. You see the double top in the yen. We know when we see a double top, we sell a double top. So make sure that you take a look and do your own homework. I think we need to be short yen for Friday's trading. All right, traders, there are a good 615 other videos, a lot like this one. If you like the techniques I am showing you in this video, please come on down to our YouTube spot. Take a look at the other 615 videos and learn from them. Traders, I will tell you this. I already know these techniques. I'm a pretty good trader. I know how to apply this to the markets, and I know how to teach it to you, but I don't have to be doing these videos. I put these videos together to help you traders out there, so please go and learn from them. Otherwise, it's a big waste of time, right? The techniques are out there. They're simply explained. Go learn from those videos, traders. All right, that's about it. I'm getting out of here. Give me a calling time there at 702-629-4755. And as always, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Always remember, futures trading is risky and can absolutely result in substantial financial loss. Traders, trading futures is not for everybody. It's not suitable for every trading account. And as always, past performance is not indicative of future results.